Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paradise. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to get your EIN number for free. This video is going to be fairly quick and simple because it really is very simple to get your EIN number. So we're going to start at the irs.gov's website, and the easiest way to find the EIN application is to simply search it in the search bar. So we're just going to search EIN. And then right here, as you can see, it says apply for an employer identification number. And then it's going to click apply online now. Begin application. Okay, the first question it's going to ask you is the type of legal structure that you have. As I just showed you guys in the previous video, I have an LLC. That is what I showed you guys how to form. So we're just going to go LLC. And then here it tells you more about LLCs, which you are more than welcome to read, especially if you don't know much about them. So click next. Now it wants to know how many members are in your LLC. Like I mentioned, I have a single member LLC, so I'll just put one. Then next the state, I will put Iowa. And then this next page tells me about single member LLCs. Once again, you are free to read all of that information if you are unaware of any of it. It is very valuable information. So I'm just going to click continue. Then it asks, why are you requesting an EIN number? And then as you guys can see, the options are you started a business, hired employees, banking purposes, change the type of organization, or purchase active business. We obviously started a business, so I would click the first one. And now we need to know about the responsible party of the LLC, which more than likely would be yourself. So this would generally be your personal information. Just ask for your name, your social, and if you are one of the owners. And then it asks for the physical location of the LLC, which once again, if you, as I mentioned in the previous video about creating the LLC, if you have an actual business location, you would put that location. Otherwise, if you are using your home address, this is where you would just put your home address. And ask for more information about your LLC. So it asks for the legal name, the trade name if you have one, the county, state, etc. This is all pretty standard. And the legal name would be, which is what I mentioned on the last video. Once again, if you guys have not watched that video, I will put it up and I'll put a link to it in this video. But as I was mentioning at the beginning, when you want to check to be sure that that name is available, this is where you would put your legal name. So if you have not already filed your LLC, you do not want to get your EIN number yet because you want to be sure that your business name is available. So I'm just going to put John Doe LLC, no trade name. And then these are the last set of questions. It says, does your business own a highway motor vehicle with a taxable gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more? Mine does not. This is probably more so for like trucking companies. Does your business involve gambling? Nope. Does your business need to file Form 720, a quarterly federal excise tax return? Generally speaking, no. If you have just a general like retail business, no, you do not have to file that. Double, triple check with your state, but you should not have to file that. But if you want to know, you can also click over here to see what the Form 720 is, and it will explain to you, and it will also give you a link to view the form so you can get a better idea. No alcohol or tobacco. Do you have or expect to have any employees who receive forms in W-2? Once again, that is, do you have or expect to have any employees who will receive forms W-2? That all depends on your business structure. I do not, so I'm going to put no. And then it asks us what type of business you have. And as you guys can see, there's a whole list of things. I will just put retail for the sake of this video. Then it asks more questions about retail. Does it sell goods exclusively over the internet? Yes. Sales from a storefront? No, we do not have a storefront. Any direct sales? Nope. And no auction house. So continue. How would you like to receive your EIN confirmation letter? From there, you would just put receive the letter online or receive it by mail. You should probably just receive it online unless you have some reason why you don't want to. Otherwise, it could take up to 4 weeks, as you guys see, for it to come in the mail. You can always get it online and print it out. So I would recommend getting it online. And then you just click continue. And because I don't want to actually create this, I'm not going to click continue. But that's it, you guys. It is as simple as that. And then you will see a form that has your EIN number and your business name on it. And you're done. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. Please leave any comments or concerns down in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.